Hello everyone, my name is Stumper. I'm a bunny up bunny. I have accepted the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, so here we go! Oh, wow. Whew. Okay, I thought that was the Ice Bucket Challenge, not the Drown My Furry Ass Challenge. Whew. Okay, now I nominate Kate Upton because she's so hot. I nominate Betty White because I'm a little twisted. A little. And I nominate Hugh Hefner because he's the Hef. Alright, Hef, it's time to freeze your petrified off. Bring it on, old man. Okay, Hef, while I have your attention, there's one more thing. I would like to make an offer to you and the gang. I and Bunny Up LLC would like to purchase Playboy for $110 million. Yes, I'm serious. Feel free to contact me at thebunnylist.com and we'll chat a bit. Remember, bunny up or die trying. Okay, love ya. Bye.